Kailangan lahat tayo magbago ng pag-iisip na sa ating pagtingin, pagkilala sa ating mga kapatid na Moro o Muslim.
Nung hindi pa po dumating ang Kastila dito sa Pilipinas, nandito na po ang Islam.
Spain or Spanish forces in the Philippines had no control over Muslim Mindanao because the Moros were continuously fighting. The Moros opposed colonialism. There's such saying like, a good Moro is a dead Moro.
Sabi na, line up kayo automatic. Nag-line up kami. Pag line up namin, yung bag namin sa likod namin, binaba namin. Nakaganyan pa kami, hindi pa kami nakatayo. Papapapapap. Wala nang nakatayo, ako na lang.
All those decades of betrayal that Mindanao before the very eyes of our ancestors, their territory were being dismantled. Their homes were nearly Egyptian. Were confounded that this capital happened to me.
1,080. Yun yung namatay na tao dito, mga lalaki. Minsan hindi na rin makapaniwala sa mga pangyayari dito sa amin.
Pero yung nangyari, di talaga maalis hanggang sa second generation pa hindi maalis. Kaya hindi paayos yung muski. Hanggang magkita namin pa yung muski, parang bukas pa rin nangyari. Kailangan ng katulungan namin ibigyan ng gobyerno.
Moros are people, they are thinking creatures. They respond to kindness. They respond to accommodation. They respond to accommodation. So if you are treated well, then there is no more reason why the Moros have to rebel against the government.
Hanggat hindi na ibibigay yung konting espasyo para yung Muslim ay maging Muslim, babalik na babalik yung mga grupo who will fight for the rights of the